In this video, I'm going to discuss about block mountains. Block mountains are formed by faulting caused by tensile and compressive forces driven by endogenic forces coming from within the earth, and these are called block mountains. So, block mountains, the other terminology is host. It is a flattened summit of tabular shape and very steep side slopes represented by two boundary faults. Host looks like this. So, it's tabular in shape and both the sides are very steep and has boundary faults. So these are called horse, graben or trough like depression. So they appear just opposite to horse. So these are depression. This is horse is an elevated platform, but the horse is a low-lying land. This is a depression and formed due to tensional forces pulling the crust apart, responsible for these down-dropped fault blocks. So this is a down-dropped region, subsidized region. This graben is, and graben is a small form of rift valley. Types and distribution. Tilted block mountains, it has a one steep side and the other side is gentle. So this is a steep side, this side is gentle slope and represented by fault scrap and one gentle side. Lifted block mountains, these are real horst. So this has both the sides steep slopes and tabular in shape, so has boundary faults both the sides. So these are lifted block mountains. These block mountains are found in all the continents. Here are some examples. So Sierra Nevada, which is in North America, Harz, which is in Germany, and Vosges, Black Forest, this is Black Forest and which is in Europe, and Amazon Rift Valley, which is in South America, Vindhya Satpura ranges in Asia, in India, and East African Valley is a Rift Valley, Darling ranges, which are block mountains, which is in Australia. So these are some of the examples for rift valleys and block mountains. So two theories are there to explain about the evolution of block mountains. One is the fault theory, the other one is the erosion theory. So fault theory, so many scientists told about the fault theory. So they said that block mountains are formed by faulting and due to erosional activity. Some of them are Gilbert and W.M. Davies, and they told that block mountains are formed by faulting activity. So different kinds of formation they have given. So formed, the first one is formed due to upward movement of middle block. So this is the crust. So the middle block is moving upside. So this is moving upside. So the side block is stable. So a host with steep-sided slope is formed. Then the formed when the side blocks of two faults move downward. So this is the normal. This is the crust. This region is going to be a stable one. So this region is stable. So side blocks of two faults move downward. So this region remains stable and this region move downwards. So then there is a host formation again. The middle block remains stable here. Then the third one is formed when the middle block between two normal faults move downward. So here the middle block between two normal faults move downward. So side block, so this is the normal one. So middle block is moving downward. So here a graben formation is there. The side blocks become host. So these side blocks are host now. They are host. This one is a graben. This kind of mountains are block mountains are formed. So this different kind of block mountains are formed due to faulting. So next, erosion theory. Erosion according to Spur. So block mountains are formed by erosional forces, and after their origin in the Mesozoic era, these landforms underwent intense erosion. So he says that landforms are formed and they underwent intense erosion, and due to this the block mountains are formed. So this is how the mountain building took place. He says according to Spar, this is the erosional theory, but whereas many scientists couldn't agree with the erosion theory.